So this is my hand-stitched lace, y'all. So I'm gonna go in and fill them in, but that could be considered a part, right? And then I just braided down the sections I did. And I think it's gonna be really thick, really big, but I still have to do this whole patch right here. Right here. But so far, and now I'm just installing it. Now, which one did I braid last? I think I'm gonna just say these. I must get a comb. Never mind. I'm gonna just take this down. So you gotta braid out. That's what the pattern gonna be. So I'm glad I did a lot of small sections over here because these small sections look nice. But then I did this big dookie section right here, which is cool and all, but I like the tighter braid outs. And then I just want to see, is it going to cover that little bald spot in the back? Of course, my phone. For the most part, here's the picture. Just a braid out. I might re-braid it to make the braids smaller. Ignore the gaps in the back. I might just have to let down a few more braids. I might keep these right here. Take down a few more braids. Wig by me.